Sairam dear children, today I am teaching pronouns class 2 English language part 2 chapter 19. In part 1 I have explained to you about the introduction of the lesson pronoun and how we use in the sentence and also some common pronouns. Okay. So in this sentence let us continue the explanation. Okay. So first of all, a pronoun is a word we use in the place of a noun. So we also use pronouns to show that a thing belongs to somebody or something. So let's look at these sentences. So first sentence is, this is my book. Next, no, it's not yours, it's mine. So you can see the picture also here. These books are ours, yours are there on that table. Okay, so you can see the words there, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Show that thing belongs to somebody. As you all know, pronouns is to show that a thing belongs to somebody or something. All this refers to that. Understood? So next we have singular and plural pronouns. So pronouns stands for nouns since nouns are singular or plural. Pronouns are also singular or plural. So here is a list of singular and plural personal pronouns. You can see for singular I, am, mine, whereas plural we have to use we, us, ours. Okay. So second one, you, yours. For plural also we can use you, yours. Okay. Third one, he, is, him. So here for that is for singular, and for plural they, them, theirs. And also for she, her, hers, it, there also we can use they, them, theirs for plural. Okay. Understood? So next, you and yours are both singular and plural. You can use both the side. For example, you are a beautiful girl. So here you is singular. We are using you as singular. And for the second example, you are beautiful girls. So here you are using you is plural. Understood? So you can use as both singular and plural. That is you and yours. Understood? So next sentence, for example, Ramesh, this book is yours. So only one boy is there in the sentence. That is for singular. Okay. So next sentence, Rita and Ali, these pens are yours. So here two students are there in the sentence. So this is plural. So you are using you and yours for both singular and plural. Okay, that's the point. So summary, this thing belongs to somebody. That means pronoun also show that this thing belongs to somebody. And also some of the singular and plural pronouns we have understood, like I, am, mine is singular, we, us, ours is plural, where we can use that, and also you and yours can be used for both singular and plural, the same pronouns. Understood? So next we have questions part. So Amit has a bat. Amit plays cricket. One I have done for you for example. So you can do for the following. Okay. So here Amit has a bat. He plays cricket. Okay. So second question. Pooja is in class 2. Pooja is very intelligent. Okay. I gave example. See that and you have to answer it. Okay. Third question. Children should drink milk. Milk is a complete food. Fourth question. Sri Rama was a great king. Sri Rama ruled Ayodhya. Fifth question. India is our motherland. India is a very big country. Okay, children. Understood? So write down all the questions in your classworks, find out the answer in the video, answer it and practice it. Okay children? Thank you.